Hey YouTube, DIY Dave here in the Dave Cave, and I got another RC project for you. So a while back, I took this brushless motor out of one of my vehicles. It was bearing was freezing up, and I just put it in the junk drawer, and I had another replacement for it. So didn't do anything with it, and I came across it the other day, and thinking, man, I need to put that in my son's two-wheel drive slash, give him a little bit of an upgrade. So I'm going to clean it up, fix it up, and first thing I need to do is pull the bearing. So I don't have a little bearing pulley like I would for a vehicle, car, but so I'm gonna see what I can do here. And I was thinking about it, and I came up with the idea of using screw, piece of PVC, and a wood block, and I think this is gonna work. So concept: put the screw through here, use the piece of PVC, and this is 3/4 inch, so it's lining up pretty well with the cover plate there. I probably could have used 1 inch as well. That would have worked well. And then I pre-drilled the block because I don't want to use my drill and put too much torque on it and screw something up. But so I'm just going to use a hand driver here so I can control it, keep it nice and uniform, and don't mess anything up. So I'm just lining everything up, and just like that. So I'm just going to start pushing, turning. Oh man, that gave way pretty quick and easy. There we go. Man, that was easy. So as easy as that, pulled the bearing and ready to rock and roll, put a new one in. So hope this video helps you guys. Leave your comments below, subscribe. I'll get more videos coming. Till then, keep it DIY.